Hey guys, Mark and Twine here. If you're looking at this video, you want to know how you could generate more leads, more sales, and more reps, and maximize the compensation plan for your Juuva business. And that means that you have the right mindset, because network marketing is personal development with a product attached to it. The top earners have simply studied the craft. Be present on this video. I'm going to drop a lot of golden nuggets, reveal industry secrets rapid fire. Absolutely no fluff, no time wasting, all facts. I'm going to save the number one golden nugget and bonus for the very end. Stay tuned for instant results. I'm going to show you exactly how I went from being virtually unknown to becoming the number one lead generator in one of my companies. You're going to learn the best ways to generate leads online, even if you're currently unknown with virtually zero technical skill required. I'm going to show you my exact simple 3-step strategy that I use to hit the leaderboards for recruiting and to hit the leaderboards for sales with another company. You're going to learn how to get a minimum of 100 or more highly qualified and targeted prospects to you within the next 30 days. So you never have to chase people again. So you never have to cold message people. And this way, you can attract highly targeted and qualified prospects of people who actually buy. Ultimately, you can start having the freedom and lifestyle that you dreamed of when you started this business in the first place. Imagine how it would be to have a business working for you instead of the other way around. You're going to get my exact YouTube Fast Start Blueprint and my exact Facebook Fast Start Blueprint. Let's hop right in. For YouTube, you want to identify the keyword that you want to go after. This is done by looking at what others who already have the success that you want, looking at what they've done, and creating updated content going after the same keywords. You're going to use a tool called TubeBuddy to help you to do this. This tool allows you to go to the video you want to replicate, click on the video, and copy the tags to a Word document. These tags are the keywords that you're going to rank on Google and YouTube for to get traffic to what you have to offer. You're going to create a coherent title with your keyword phrases, and your title should go after multiple keywords while still making sense. You're going to create a description that's 300 words in length and scatter your keywords throughout. Place your link at the top of this description. You're going to create a thumbnail using canva.com and save the thumbnail as your primary keywords. You don't want to reinvent the wheel. It's okay to be a copycat, just copy the right cat. You don't want to copy word for word exactly verbatim what somebody said, but you want to create your own similar 3 to 5 minute content going after the same keywords. Use Open Broadcast System if you need to share your screen, and save the video as your keyword optimized title. For Facebook, you should find out exactly where your target audience is hanging out. It's a common mistake to think your marketing is for everyone under the sun. Your message is not for everyone. If you're marketing to everyone, you're essentially marketing to no one. And you want to reach out to them with a good first message. Hey Mary, I almost didn't reach out to you, but then I decided to anyway. I've been noticing the comments that you made on the Tony Robbins fan page, and I decided to check out your profile. It definitely seems that we have the same mindset when it comes to work ethic, so I thought it would be great if we connected. I'd love to chat with you. What exactly do you do for work? By reaching out to people in this way, you'll start to build your audience. And as you build your audience, you want to engage with that audience on your timeline. You can do this by asking a question, fill in the blank, I love my blank, quotes, post engaging pictures, and post blog posts. You want to make 5 to 10 new connections each day, and the Robert Kiyosaki and Tony Robbins fan pages, those are good places to start. You want to comment on the posts of others and create your own comments and just be social. Your mindset should be around making connections and not closing prospects here. You don't want to be a type of person in those groups trying to pitch people. You want to post curiosity and not resistance. That's 90% personal and 10% about your business. The 10% about your business can be the results of others or your own results. You don't want to post your company logo on your profile. 90% personal could be images of yourself, pictures of you eating food, and inspirational quotes and those kind of things. A good curiosity post could have somebody reaching out to you for more information. This morning I made a great smoothie with apples, oranges, green powder, almond milk. I had energy all day long. Somebody may reach out to you and say, hey, but what's that green powder all about? And that green powder may have something to do with your business. Guys, I hope you got value from this. If you did, feel free to continue your education by clicking the link in the description. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll walk you through and hold your hand and show you exactly how I'm able to generate 10 to 20 red hot leads a day. Some people sign up into my business on autopilot. I want the same for you. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll show you where I no longer have to hunt down family and friends, blitz at the mall, and do those kind of things. Instead, become the hunted with some modern day marketing techniques. Go ahead and click that link. Hope you guys got value from this, and I'll see you on the other side.